In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not supported by Facebook. First, we need to ensure your iPhone is running the latest software. Start by opening the Settings app. Then navigate to General and tap on Software Update. Here, your device will check for available updates. If an update is present, you will see an option to download and install it. Updating your iPhone is crucial because Safari updates happen through iOS. This means that having the latest version of iOS ensures your Safari browser has the most recent features and fixes any known issues. Once the update completes, your device will restart. This makes sure your changes are saved and takes you one step closer to resolving the issue. Next, it's time to restart your iPhone. You can do this by pressing and holding the power button until you see the slider appear. Slide it to power off your device. After a few moments, turn your iPhone back on by pressing the power button again. Restarting your iPhone can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting Safari's functionality. This simple action often resolves many issues and provides a fresh start for the device. Once your iPhone is back on, you can proceed to the next step. Now let's open the Settings app once again. You should already have it open from the previous steps. This is where we can adjust specific settings related to Safari. Tap on Apps, then scroll down to find Safari. This section allows us to access features and settings specifically tailored for the Safari browser. Ensuring your settings are correct is essential because improper configurations can lead to compatibility errors. Once you are in the Safari settings, we can move on to clearing some data. Next, tap on Clear History and Website Data. This action will remove any cached data and cookies that may be causing the issue with Facebook. Cached data can accumulate over time and sometimes conflict with how websites operate. By clearing this data, you give Safari a fresh start, which can help resolve the problem of it being unsupported. After you confirm the action, you will see a message indicating that your history and data have been cleared. This is a key step that often resolves browser-related issues. After clearing the data, go back to the Safari settings and tap on Extensions. Here you can manage any extensions that you have installed. Temporarily disable all Safari extensions to see if they might be interfering with Facebook. Extensions can sometimes conflict with website functionality, and disabling them allows you to test if one is causing the problem. Once you've disabled the extensions, return to Facebook and check if it loads correctly now. This step is vital because it eliminates potential conflicts that could be hindering your browsing experience. If you are still facing issues, check if you are using iCloud Private Relay or a VPN. If so, temporarily turn off these services. These features can interfere with how websites determine browser compatibility. Once you have turned off iCloud Private Relay or your VPN, reload Facebook again. This action can often solve issues related to website access, as these services may sometimes mask your browsing information. Finally, visit facebook.com again and try signing in. This step is important because it confirms whether the previous actions have resolved the compatibility issue. If you are able to log in successfully, you can return to using Safari without any further problems. However, if the issue persists, it may be a temporary issue on Facebook's side. In that case, consider using the Facebook app until Meta resolves the problem. Following these steps should help you troubleshoot and fix the Safari not supported error. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Facebook back on Safari.